Hi guys, how are you? Today I take one video how to install or fix 8 pin 8 cable to RJ connector. So see, this is new one connector. This is new one connector. Here I have 8 connector pin. See, like this. This is RG flyer. This is RG connector. So first this cutting cable, very sensitive cable this. So you carefully use this butter. Then like this. Optic. So see, here I have 8 cable. This is orange or white, number 1, orange, number 2, green and white 3, blue 4, blue and white 5, then green 6, brown and white 7, only brown 8. So now here I have 8 pin, 8 cable. So now see this. Now I cutting this. And see this RG connector. This is down. This is down. This level side up. See. So now this up and left side number 1. So this is number 1, blue, orange or white. Now very easy going inside. And see here I have connector. And this very good push like this. Then RJ plier go inside and this finished. So now we see finish. See this cable fully inside go and this connector cable inside going. Same like all this. This is off and clip side down. See, thanks for watching.